Good morning, my dear students and my dear friends. Today we are going to learn about methods to measure price elasticity of demand. So, when we talk about methods to measure price elasticity of demand, there are four type methods. First is total expenditure method given by Alfred Marshall. Second is proportionate or percentage method. Third is geometric or point method. And last fourth method is arc elastic method. So let's go for first method. What is total expenditure method to measure elasticity of demand? When we talk about total expenditure method, in this method, if any changes in price of a commodity, if any changes price of a commodity, total expenditure goes up. Total expenditure goes up. So their elasticity of demand will be more than one. We can say elastic demand. If our total expenditure, our total spending goes up, then their elasticity of demand will be more than one. If any changes in price of a commodity, total expenditure falls. Total expenditure falls, then our elasticity of demand will be less than 1. Unelastic. We can say unelastic. If our total expenditure falls, their elasticity of demand will be inelastic. We can say less than 1. And if any changes in price of the commodity, total expenditure remains constant. No change in total expenditure, no change in our spending. So there will be elasticity of demand, unitary elastic demand. ED is equal to 1. No changes in total expenditure, no changes in our spending. So there will be elasticity of demand is equal to 1. So let's go for table. There are three positions. We already discussed three positions. We can say elasticity of demand more than 1, more less than 1, and unitary elasticity of demand. So let's go for first position. There are price and quantity demanded, total expenditure, and what's effect if any changes in price. So let's go for first position. If price of a commodity per unit 20 rupees, then quantity demanded is 50 units. So total expenditure is 1000 rupees. And when price of a commodity decreases 20 to 10 rupees, so as per law, we can say the law of demand, our quantity demanded will be increased. So there is 50 units to 100 units increases. So total, let's see total expenditure, no changes in total expenditure. So if any changes in price of a commodity, then total expenditure remains constant, no change. So our price elasticity of demand will be is equal to 1. Unitary elasticity of demand, unitary elastic demand. Okay. So let's go for B position. There are price of a commodity decrease 20 to 10, and quantity demanded as per law, the law of demand, 50 unit to 120 increases. So total expenditure also increases 1000 to 1200. So in this condition, we can say if any changes in price of a commodity, total expenditure goes up, increases. So elasticity of demand will be more than one. Will be more than one. Okay.